It's a lazy Sunday.
No, I don't. Anyway, I thought we'd throw together a video because bought myself a new chainsaw today. I might need some help with it. I can't get it started for some reason. I'll show you it right now on her.
I didn't want him to buy it.
It was a good price. Just can't seem to get it started. It's got compression. Neighbor Dave gave us this fountain. It's got lights in the back. We'll show you that later. But what does it say? Somebody? Anybody? Maybe Boondang Bear will know. That guy keeps saying back up. Alright, enough of the fountain. Let's go cook some supper. Barbecue time. Charcoal. What are we cooking, Shelley?
Pork tenderloin.
Pork tenderloin. Okay. You gotta adjust your charcoal with what you're cooking. Little zip. Fire starter. Whatever. Then I got high. Then I got high. Then I got high. Well, I let the fluid sit for about, I don't know, I gave 15-20 minutes, I guess. Usually it takes a half a minute, but I like to let it extra soak. Bought myself some new coal movers. Alright, now we're going to let that burn off for about a half hour. Then it'll be cooking time. It's been about a half an hour. Coals are good to go. So what I do is spread them all out evenly. Whew, that's hot in there in the mud. Look at it. So now we're going to put the grills back on, clean those up, throw some veggies on. We got the grill cleaned up. Now first we're going to put the veggies on. There's green beans and fresh garlic in here. Shelly chopped up all the garlic. So we'll throw that in there for whatever. Dirty little bitch. The dog just come in my yard and she smells like fucking pure poo-poo. I'm gonna try to take her back and hose her down. Fuck, you stink, doggy. Okay, let's go give the dog a shower. We're gonna attempt to give that fucking stinking dog. What a stink. What did you roll in? Fuck you, stink, Cody. You're making me puke. Here, look. Look it, look it. Get it, get it, get it. Get it. Look, what's that? What's that? Fuck you, stink. She must have rolled in shit or something. I know. It's okay, it's okay. Gotta be done, baby. You gotta be done. There you go. Good girl. I'll give you a treat after. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. wash your nut here. Okay. No. There's a good girl. There's a good girl. Had to be done. I'm sorry. Good girl. Yeah. Who's the good girl? Who's the good baby? You don't like the head, I know. Oh, okay. Woohoo! JJ, you want to turn? Oh! Well, the veggies have been on about, I don't know, 20 minutes. We'll flip them over. Then we're going to throw some meat on this bastard. Let's get the meat on. Okay, we got ourselves some Marc Angelo butterflied pork tenderloin, filet du cochon papillon, barbecue. We'll throw that on and see what happens there, huh? Alright, we got the package opened. That was a job and a half. I hate these packages. So we're gonna throw that in.
Surprised Woody's not here with the sound of frying meat.
You found that shit.
You're wet.
She just had a proper bath. Get away from my food, I'll kill you.
Smells good, eh? No, no, down, down.
Alright, supper's done. We're not gonna show you guys eating it. Because you can't eat it. You can try, but we're not gonna show you that. So anyway, we're gonna have this and we'll have a few words from our sponsors. There's Shelly's plate. She's got a big appetite. And there's Shelly's real plate. Every time.
You're a giggler.
Well, we just had supper.
Stop rocking.
I can't rock?
No, no rocking.
Come on.
Rocking sucks.
Okay, I'll try to stop.
Well, it...
Well, anyway, we had dinner, supper, whatever you want to call it. It was pretty good if I do say so myself. Did you like it?
It was very tasty. Giggler.
What was the whole point of business here? Oh yeah, well Shelly and I, we went out last night to the soup kitchen, or the soup bowl.
No.
What was it?
The fish bowl.
Okay, we went.
Okay, stop rocking.
We went out to the fish bowl. And
it's a big
my buddy Dennis and
giggler.
well Jessica Crow and my buddy Dennis from Black Friday were playing at the soup kitchen or whatever it was there.
The fish bowl.
Yeah, I got some footage. I got maybe 4 songs from them. They're fucking pretty cool. Anyway, well, I'm not going to put them on my channel. I'll put them on Shelly's channel. That's right. Shelly has a channel. It's a sexy one.
Yeah, right.
It's Kicking Hornet. I'll put the link below. Well, anyway, people. Thanks for watching. Later. Still won't start.
Just did. Thanks.
The first person that can tell me what that says, I'll send them this chainsaw. Broken chainsaw. Sure can be fixed. Probably needs a carb kit or something.